Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Content Library for grade 9. Today we are going to revise the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables through its mind map. We have studied in Polynomials chapter that linear equations are those that have the degree of the polynomial 1. That is, the variable contains the power 1. Those are called as linear equations. And we also studied if the linear equations has two different variables, those linear equations are said to be linear equations in two variables. And the general form of the linear equations in two variables is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are the constants and a and b are not equal to 0. Because if a or b, if it is equal to 0, then it will not become linear equation two variables, because one or other variable will be 0. That's why a and b both should not be 0. Solutions of a linear equation. The values of the variables that make the linear equation true are called solutions of a linear equation. We discuss this with an example. Find four solutions of 2x plus y is equal to 5. So we are putting the different values of x and finding the respective values for the y. That is, if x is equal to 0, then we get y is equal to 5. If x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 1. If x is equal to minus 1, we get y is equal to 7. That means all these four different values of x and y, they satisfy the equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. That's why all these different pairs of the values of x and y are called solutions of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. And these values are tabulated as follows. That is x, y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 7. These are the different solutions of the given equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. This equation 2x plus y is equal to 5 that can be represented on a graph sheet also. That is the graphical representation of the linear equation 2x plus y is equal to 5, that is explained like this. So we use the table x, y and these different values on this graph sheet. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So here is the point. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. This is the point. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. This is the point. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 7. This is the point. And we join all these 4 points to get a straight line like this. And this line gives the graphical representation of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. There are some important situations and we discuss it as special cases. That is, the equation of x-axis, it is given by y is equal to 0. That is, if y is equal to 0, it means it is the x-axis. In the same way, if x is equal to 0, it is the equation of y-axis. And if a line parallel to x-axis, then the value of y may be 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the line comes like this, like this, like this, like this, or it can be at the bottom also. So these are the different possibilities of the lines which are parallel to x-axis. So the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is given by y is equal to k. In the same way, the line parallel to y-axis is given by x is equal to k. And the last one, the line passing through the origin is given by y is equal to mx. So this is the origin, and through this origin there may be infinite number of lines that can pass through, and all those lines, they have the general formula, that is y is equal to mx. These are some of the important special cases which are specifically for the x-axis and the y-axis and the equation that passes through the origin. That's all about the chapter linear equations in two variables. I hope the revision through this mind map helped you to understand the chapter in a better way. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.